Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to sum cells in Excel. Why would you want to know how to sum cells in Excel? Well, maybe you just want to sum many cells just with two clicks in keyboard. So today I am going to show you how to sum cells in Excel. Check the full description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Okay, now we have length and width. It doesn't matter. Just click Alt and equal in keyboard. See, now we'll choose another cells, Alt and equal. That easy. Here we go. If you want to know how to sum cells in Excel easily with just two clicks, this is the easiest way I know how. If you want another way to do it, leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.